Hi, it's September the 14th, 2020. This is Dr. Fryer, and I'd like to teach you how you can check for missing work and view teacher comments in Google Classroom. So when you log into Google Classroom, you're going to go into whatever class it is that you want to check. And right here underneath upcoming, you're going to click view all. If you've got the assignments that are due, they'll show here, but click view all. And this is going to show you all the assignments for the class. You can see this demo student that I have is missing 3 different assignments because it says missing. And then here on this assignment, there's a comment. And the reason I know that is because there's a little icon here beside with a comment box. So I can go ahead and click on that, and I can see this comment that I have left as the teacher. So it's really important that you go ahead and check for what assignments you're missing. And so this view all is gonna show that to you. And also please, look for the comments and read those comments, because that's gonna tell you what it is you need to do to fix your work and be able to resubmit it for full credit in our class.